As the world's #1 dealer of Bandit equipment, Cal-Line offers personal and professional tree care operators a way to reduce their costs when converting trees and brush into chips. Start saving more with the Intimidator 12X PC wood chipper, brought to you by Cal-Line Equipment. Built with a compact design for easy towing and positioning in the field, this solid entry falls right in the middle of Bandit's 12-inch class of chippers. The 12X PC utilizes the same drum and feed system as its relative, the 12XP, but has been modeled with a more compact and economic outlook. Drawing in material at a feed rate of 120 feet per minute and quickly converting large amounts of brush into chips, this machine can withstand a greater stress load than other 12-inch drum chippers, a testament to Bandit's solid construction that will provide you with years of dependable service and greatly reduce your maintenance costs. While competitors in the 12-inch class tend to operate at a rate of 2,000 RPM, the 12X PC has a slower turning drum at 1,530 RPM, requiring less fuel and horsepower. Chipping at this rate will work to your advantage, creating greater torque that forces materials against the drum and results in higher chipping efficiency with 30% more fuel saved. The feeding process has been completely simplified. A larger in-feed allows operators to feed multiple stems or brushy limbs all at once. It houses a powerful dual feed wheel system, driven by high-displacement hydraulic motors to pull and compress material into the chipper. Coupled with adjustable side-mounted springs and an optional hydraulic lift cylinder, this machine generates a grand total of 2,200 pounds of down pressure, nearly eliminating the need to trim or reposition any materials during the job, which will in turn save your operators time and your business money. There's a reason why professionals consistently choose the Intimidator class of chippers. The 12X PC remains a step above the competition, operating at a greater efficiency with less downtime. Start saving more with Cal-Line's Bandit product offerings. Get in touch with a Cal-Line equipment expert at one of our 7 locations and schedule a demo or consultation today. We take pride in providing our customers with nothing but the best, which is why for us, compromise just won't cut it.